Now I'm going to start exercise 1.1. Question number 1. I solved the question number 1, and question number 2 is find the following sum using number line. Question number 2, find the following sum using number line. संख्या रेखा के आधार पर निम्नलिखित का योग ज्ञात करें. फाइंड द फॉलोइंग सम यूजिंग नंबर लाइन. 1 number question is 5 plus minus 3. We have to add 5 plus minus 3. Using number line, we draw a number line. Draw a number line. Write draw a number line and write the numbers on it, 0, 1, 2. Now we have to add 5 plus minus 3. Then starting from 5, we move 3 steps left. 1, 2, 3. Starting from 5, we move 3 steps left. We reach at point 2. So 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 2. Using number line, find the sum. At first we draw a number line and write the numbers on it. Now starting from 5, move 3 steps left. We reach at point 2, so 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, minus 5 plus 7. 2 number minus 5 plus 7. Adding minus 5 plus 7 using number line. We draw a number line. And write numbers on it. Now starting from minus 5, starting from point minus 5, we move 7 steps to right. After moving, we get at point 2. 1 step, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, starting from 5, we move 7 steps right. 2 minus 5, we reach at point 2. So, using number line, the sum of minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 2. Similarly, you can find the sum of minus 2 plus minus 5, 3 number question, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5, minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 plus minus 5, minus 5 plus 9, minus 5 plus 9. Do same as 1 and 2. You can find the sum by using number line. Question number 3. Question number 3 and 4 are very easy. So I do not want to touch this question. I hope that you can solve it. 3 number, 4 number questions are we have to add and subtract. So I am going to question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, for the following values of A and B, for the following values of A and B, for the following values of A and B, verify that A minus B is equal to A minus B is equal to A plus B. A और B के निम्नलिखित मानों के लिए for the following values of A and B, verify that A minus B is equal to A plus B. Values are A is equal to 118, A is equal to 118 and A is equal to 118 and B is equal to 125. B is equal to 125. To verify this question, LHS is equal to A minus B. On putting the values of A and B, on putting the values of A and B, 118 minus 125 is equal to 118 plus 125 is equal to 118 we get 243. Now RHS बराबर RHS equal to A plus B. B is equal to 125. On putting A is equal to 118 and B is equal to 125, we get 118 plus 125 is equal to 243. Now we see that LHS is equal to RHS. Thus LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. To verify A minus minus B is equal to A plus B, we have given the values of A and B. So we put the values of A and B in LHS. Value of A is given 118 and value of B is given 125. So 118 minus 125, minus into minus is equal to plus. So we get 243. Now RHS बराबर A plus B. On putting A is equal to 118 and B is equal to 125. After adding, we get RHS बराबर 243. Thus LHS बराबर RHS. Value of LHS is equal to value of RHS. Hence it is verified. In this way, in this method, you can verify two. Question number 2. A is equal to 28 and B is equal to 11. Do same as one number. I hope that you can solve it. Now question number 6. I am going to solve question number 6. Find the additive inverse of the following. Find the additive inverse. Find the additive inverse of the following. Of the following. Number is given minus 10. Minus 10. Two number. Minus 10. 15 minus 8. Minus 8. 4 number question is 4 number question is 0. Answer. Additive inverse of minus 10. We know that additive inverse of a number is the opposite sign of the given integer. So additive inverse of minus 10 is equal to 10, because adding 10 plus minus 10 is equal to 0. So the additive inverse of minus 10 is equal to 10. Also, additive inverse of 15. Additive inverse of 15 is equal to minus 15. And additive inverse of minus 8 is equal to 8. And the additive inverse of 0 is equal to 0. So I hope that you can solve it easily. Now I am going to question number 7 to discuss. Question number 7. Subtract 5 from minus 20. Question number 7. Subtract minus 5 from minus 20. 5 from minus 20. Answer. Subtracting 5 from minus 20, at first we write minus 20 and write the sign of minus 5. We get minus 25. On subtracting 5 from minus 20, you write minus 20 minus 5. We get minus 25. Similarly, you will solve two number 5 from 20. 5 from 20. 3 number question minus 5 from 20. From 20. 4 number question minus 10 from minus 33. 5 number question minus 200 from minus 300. From minus 300. 6 number question 0 from minus 50. 0 from minus 50. You will try to solve these questions. 5 from minus 20, minus 5 from 20, minus 10 from minus 33, minus 200 from minus 300, 0 from minus 50. Do save as a one number. Do save as one number question. Now I am going to attempt to solve question number 9. Simplify. 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9 plus 15 minus 25. सरल करना है. सिंप्लीफाई मीन्स सरल करना है. 36 minus 9 plus 15 minus 25. 36 minus 9 plus 50 minus 25 is equal to minus 36 minus into minus and multiplying. We know that multiplication of two negative integers is a positive integer. So multiplying minus 9 by minus, we get plus 9 15 minus into minus 25. Multiplied minus 25 by minus 9, we get plus 25. Adding 36 and 9, we get 45 plus 40. we get 585. This is your answer. We write 36 minus 9 plus 15 minus 25. 36 a minus into minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus 9, and here is also minus into minus 25 is plus 25. So adding 36 and 9 we get 45, and 15, adding 15 to 25 we get 40. So required number is equal to 85. Similarly, you can simplify the next problem. I write the next problem for you. Next problem plus minus 20 minus 60. I have written this question for you. I hope that you can simplify it. And 10 number question, I am going to describe 10 number question. The sum of two integers is minus 256. Question number 10. The sum of two integers is minus 256. If one of them is 180, if one of them is 180, find the other. The sum of two integers is 256. If one of them is 180, find the other number. To find the other number, we are given sum is equal to minus 256, and one of them is 180. So subtracting 180 from 256, we get the other number. On solving 10, sum is equal to minus 256. One integer is equal to 180. So the other integer is equal to minus 256 minus 180 is equal to minus 256 minus 180 is equal to 6 is equal to minus 436. So if sum is minus 256 and one integer is given 180, to find the other integer we subtract 180 from 256. So minus 436 is the required integer. You will try to solve next problem. All questions are very easy. I hope that you can solve it, and problem will be solved in next class.